Day 2 of our Thailand adventure. Okay, technically day 1 because today we're going for our Khao Yai tour. So now it's
very minimal sleep.
Yeah. Again. Yesterday no sleep already. We're waiting for our crook pickup, the driver. We're supposed to arrive at around 7 lah, but they tell us to arrive 10 minutes early. So we see how. We look to our left. We see one auntie doing her morning workout. Welcome to Italy. So if I'm not wrong, this place is supposed to be like some Italian-inspired village. Is it? I think so.
Is it? I'm not sure.
Oh shit, there's ice cream. Feed the farm animals here lah. Oh, I smell the farm animals. Okay, first thing, coffee. Now we go feed the donkey. Dong dong dong.
Donkey. You see, 他不耐烦了。
Quarreling over who gets it. They're spitting at each other. Holy shit. This one's so aggressive one.
Oh,
oh, oh, oh, oh. Nom, 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 nom. Ah, there's a baby one at the back. Oh shit. You're dripping juice. Got back in my eye. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's quite cute.
Very fun.
Very fun.
I thought the architecture and the view.
It's not too expensive.
Good experience. And we're off to lunch. Yeah. PB Winery for lunch. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Make up your mind, woman. What are we here for? Do they grow fruits? No, they make wine. Yeah. showing the Pool by TB Bloom.
What's that?
I have no idea. Just go lah.
Okay.
Entrance fee is 100, but you can get a special golf cart. Will bring you to the don't know what farm. I don't know what farm.
Water. The drink, I think, is mango smoothie.
This is a very big golf cart.
Yeah. You see at the back.
Oh, this one not the screaming kind. You can give money, donation, then they'll upkeep the sheep. And then you can grab the straw and then feed them. What was that?
Fly.
Oh, look at the baby one! Baby! Hey, not you lah, fuck off. 有谁要？有谁要？有谁要？
The baby won't run away.
Maybe the baby don't want to eat. Oh well. Oh, 你好大只啊 brother. Yeah, baby, got it.
Baby
Yeah.
got it.
Oh shit. Hey. Careful your finger. Don't hold so close. Yeah. See, such a big difference. Bitch, we walk away, then you make all this noise. Do it again. Not you guys. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. And Superman.
Like curtain like that.
I am Groot.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So we're kind of taking a chill pill right now because it's raining. But we still have like half the garden that we've not explored. But we'll see how lah. If it gets way too heavy, we'll probably just stop and rest in the cafe for a bit. Because we still got a mango smoothie and a cake to enjoy. We're at Palio Khao Yai. This is like a much bigger version of the PRIMO PIAZZA, right?
Yeah.
Feels much bigger. But we could be wrong. The pineapple.
The guy
Found the Hong Nam.
found a Hong Nam.
The Hong Nam is so far away. Oh my
Finally.
god. Okay, we're done with Palio Village.
Yay!
Yay.
That's the end of our tour.
We still got dinner more. We are dining by the river. We even got a little mosquito coil for us. I think we over ordered.
Yeah.
Cannot finish. We're gonna have to tapao the kway teow. Select one. Look at the room! We'll probably have a better view of the outside tomorrow morning. Now look at the room before we mess it up. So we are finally back at the first hotel, Khao Yai. Actually, location is not bad, right? It looks quite nice.
Yeah, looks very nice. It has 5 star
5 star?
on Agoda.
Oh, not bad. They even gave us a complimentary welcome gift. 2 items off the mini fridge. Beer included, even though I'm not gonna drink tonight lah. Don't know how we're gonna spend that, but it's a nice thought.